Hi, here are some VS Code pro tips that will speed up your workflow. First, let me show you some file navigation shortcuts that I use all the time and which keeps me away from the mouse. Hitting Ctrl P will show the open file pop-up, which will show a list of recently opened files, and you can also search for files in the project and open them. If your file is long, you can go to a particular symbol inside the file, say a function, by appending a @ symbol followed by the symbol name. This has taken me directly to the getUsers function in this file. Similarly, to go to a particular line in the file, you can append a colon followed by the line number. To switch between the open tabs, we can use Ctrl plus Tab to go forward and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to go back, one tab at a time. To close a particular tab, we can use Ctrl plus W, and to close all the open tabs, you can use Ctrl K followed by Ctrl W. These are the important navigation shortcuts that will save you a whole lot of time once you get used to it. Next, let me show you some cool editing shortcuts. If you want to move a particular line up or down, instead of cutting the line and pasting it, we can simply use Alt up arrow or down arrow to move the line wherever we want, and it would still preserve the indentation. To rename a particular symbol, that is a variable or a function name, point to the symbol. This will highlight all the usages for this particular symbol. Hit F2 key, which is the standard key for renaming, and you can rename this symbol. This will affect only the variable in the current scope and not anything outside. Also, it will not affect any strings with the same name. If you do want to edit all the occurrences of a word, you can point to it and hit Ctrl Shift L. This will put a cursor at all the places containing the particular word, and you can edit all of them yourself. You can also create multiple cursors by using Ctrl Shift up arrow or down arrow. This can be used to edit multiple lines at the same time. The final tip is for JavaScript developers. When writing pure JavaScript, if you are not having IntelliSense inside a function, simply create a JS doc to document the function arguments. Now, when you use the argument, you will be provided with a list of methods applicable for the particular argument. So, there you have it, some cool VS Code shortcuts and tips to speed up your coding process. Hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe for more such tips coming right at you. This is Yogi and you are watching the Zettabyte Studio. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.